Hi, this is Stacy from WTI. Do you like to use an external keyboard, but it's just so bulky to take with you if you need to go to a meeting off-site? If you do, then you will love this one from Acoucou. This is such a cool little keyboard. It expands so easily, and what I also really like is it's the exact same size as a regular keyboard. It connected very easily both to my PC and to my Mac that I have, and the keys and the trackpad are all really responsive. It connects via Bluetooth, or you can connect it via a USB-C cable that it comes with. The bottom part has little feet, so it stays nice and in place on your desktop or wherever you're working on a table. And it's made of a hard, durable plastic. So it's not rubbery at all. The materials feel well made, but the best part is that it works well and it's responsive. Great for using either at home and especially for traveling or off-site, but that's just my point of view.